thing. The creature employs intelligent sound strategy, mimicking distressed calls to mislead the hunters and hikers. The family theory suggests we are dealing with more than just isolated creatures. Small groups traveling together might explain these fragmented clues.
Bigfoot, the ultimate nomad. But even while traveling vast distances from dense forest.
According to the map, the sightings cluster right near this stream. He must be using the berries as a food source.
The key to its survival is shyness. After centuries of sightings, intentional avoidance has become